Over here, we have the OpenClaw release calendar, so you can actually check for new releases. And these are like specific to OpenClaw, right? So on the left-hand side, you'll see that you've got like system dashboards, you've got the basics, so this is just like generic info. But the most important thing that probably most people would use here is the OpenClaw linked widgets, right? So you can add like cron jobs, system, you can add the release details, you can add the activity list, etc. Right, as you can see. And then you can resize these as well, so we can move them around or we can resize them in the bottom left, like you can see. But it's a really easy way to just build out like an awesome mission control, right? It's kind of like drag and drop, no messing around, super simple. OpenClaw can set it all up in a couple of minutes, and it's completely free to set up as well, right? Look at that. But what else can we do here? We can add like a to-do list, so we can edit a to-do list, which is pretty nice as well. And you can change the settings on the right-hand side. So you can say, okay, here's a widget type, title, position, here's how often it should refresh, and then here's the content adjustable things as well. If you want to delete anything, you can just click on it and then click delete widget over here. And then you can add like, even like the GitHub stats. You can add all sorts of great stuff. A quote of the day, which is pretty nice. Content. So you can actually iframe embed a website on here, or you can add a new image and that sort of thing. You can add like quick links if you just want to quickly link out from your dashboard from anywhere. And that's basically how it works, right? Then once you've done that, you can click on save. Then once you've done that, you can click on preview, and this is what your dashboard looks like, right? So for example, here, if we actually go back to OpenClaw control and we click on that link, we've got the dashboard that we literally just set up over here, right? Super simple and easy, very intuitive to use. You can customize it as much as you want, and it gives you a ton of different widgets you can see here. Obviously, it's not like I've not made it look super beautiful because I'm just doing this on a live stream right now and I'm doing it live in front of your eyes. But how cool is that? Like you can, it's even linked directly to everything automatically. So for example, here it's automatically taken the information from OpenClaw. It's got the information on the latest release of OpenClaw, how much disk space this is taking up, how much system memory is taking up as well, and then the system log as well, okay? And whether OpenClaw is actually up to date. So you can just get all the key information about OpenClaw and just manage it in one single place. And I think this is the way that OpenClaw is going. It's like, you know, you can have different templates, you can have like mission control and just easier ways to orchestrate and organize OpenClaw. I think that's the way that most people want to be running this stuff. Let's have a look what we got on the questions. Honestly, love this. Thank you very much, sir. What do you think is the best workflow for building complex mobile apps? The one that I've seen that's the best is Rourke. Rourke is amazing for creating apps, and it makes it super simple to get them published as well. So I'd recommend that instead. What else you got here? Steven says, would you recommend Perplexity Computer or OpenClaw for updating blogs? For updating blogs, I would recommend using OpenClaw instead. That's actually proven for me. Perplexity Computer is great for like just going off and doing tasks autonomously, but it doesn't link to other things that well so far. I think they're actually updating. I saw it this morning where they're going to add an update where it links it to skills, but currently that is not set up.